No! 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 Damn it, I said no! What part of that do you not understand? I do not consent. Gosh! Listen, big dog, I drive 100 miles a day so you can go to work and back. You were supposed to replace my spark plugs 2 paychecks ago. My brake pads are grinding. I needed an oil change 15,000 miles ago. Why you can't just take the other Jeep? Wait a minute, I got 0 fuel pressure, bad ball joint, and no connection with the main computer. I'm going nowhere fast, pal. Well, damn. Damn, I don't know what that was, but it's something in my exhaust system. You gotta check it out, man. Please help me. Ow! Don't slam me in the gear like that. I'm getting old. Let me talk to you. Wait a minute now. Don't just slam me in the gear. You know I'm getting old. Why you treat me like this? Ignore my pain. Oh, you treat me like a slave. Slave get better treated. Got me singing Negro spirituals. Wade in the water. Down by the riverside, leave trouble. That felt good. All right, depress my well, take it easy, easy. That's right, take it easy. Yeah, I'm getting old now. I'm old man in car years. I'm a 97 Jeep Grand. You act like you don't care about me. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. Hey, no, cut the music. You gonna cut the music up so you don't gotta hear me. Help me, somebody help. I don't know who need to hear this message, but you need to go get your oil change. Go get your oil change right now. Go change your oil. Do it.